Greetings of the day, Goenkans. Hope you all are fine. Today in English, we're going to study chapter number 11, Comparison, from Everyday English Grammar and Composition, page number 48. If you remember, in our previous video, we learned what adjectives are. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. We use adjectives to compare two or more people, animals, or things. But adjectives are to be put in three categories based on their use in comparison. The first one is an adjective that does not show any comparison between two things is said to be in positive degree. When we use an adjective in a sentence and there is no comparison, the adjective is said to be in positive degree. For example, bright, short, cold. Look at this sentence. Ram is short. Here, the adjective short is in positive degree as there is no comparison. It is only describing the noun Ram. The second category we have is when an adjective that shows comparison between two things is said to be in comparative degree. So when there is comparison of two things, the adjective is said to be in comparative degree. For example, brighter, shorter, colder. Look at this sentence. Ram is shorter than Rahul. Here we have two nouns and we're comparing them. So we're using the comparative degree of short, shorter. Ram is shorter than Rahul. The third category we have is where an adjective that indicates comparison of more than two things is said to be in superlative degree. And we always use the article the with the superlative adjective. So when there is comparison of more than two things, it is said to be in superlative degree. For example, brightest, shortest, coldest. Look at this sentence. Ram is the shortest among his friends. Here we're using the superlative degree of short, the shortest, as we're comparing Ram with his friends. Ram is the shortest among his friends. So these are the three categories for comparison. Let's look at one more example for better understanding. In this picture, we have a motorcycle, an elephant, and a ship. If we are talking about the motorcycle is heavy. There is no comparison. So we're using the positive degree. Now, if we compare the motorcycle with the elephant is heavier than the motorcycle. Because of the comparison of two things, we are using comparative degree. And the last sentence is the ship is the heaviest item among the three. Here we're using superlative degree because comparison is taking place between more than two things. So this is how comparison is done. I hope you understood it, Goenkans. Thank you so much.